Alright boys, so it is a new day. We're installing a couple last minute modifications for the engine bay. So I'm actually getting a photo shoot today. So here's what I have. Just something small, but you know, it should make a big difference. So I got Dressup hardware right here for the engine bay. And then I have this VVT carbon cap that I'm gonna install. Just to, you know, make it look a little better. I still have the wire tuck that I haven't installed, but that's for like a later day. I'm kind of like delaying it right now, but let me open the, pop the hood right now. Jeez. Engine bay looking finally somewhat clean, you know what I mean? God damn, boys. So it's gonna make it look a lot better, hopefully, but yeah, guys, I'm excited. Got Jose's car right now, god damn. Don't know what this guy's doing right now, but here's the whip. Both speeds looking clean. You got the track set up right here. Got the, well, he's not aired out right now, but goddamn, boys, look at this shit. Jeez. Popped out bumper, typical Mazda shit. Got a sweet lineup right now, boys. But yeah, guys, car's gonna look sick for the shoot. Just gotta install a couple last minute mods and then we'll be good to go. Yo, this guy got the breather cap and he paint matched it to the valve cover and the intake. Yo, that's a nice touch. Whew. Engine bay goals, man. Goddamn, boys. We'll get there one day, don't worry. One day. Yo, I was just telling them that the breather cap is a nice touch right here.
Huh?
The breather cap right here?
Yeah.
It's a nice touch.
Oh, I thought you said it was messed up. I was like,
I said it's a nice touch. Perfect angle. Yeah, it's really nice today. I'm actually playing baseball right after. Yeah. I'm playing baseball like right after. Because me and my buddies were doing like this like slow pitch softball team.
Okay.
Yeah, so we're just like playing around and shit today. I think we started in fuck, I don't even know. I think we started in like 2 weeks.
Really?
Yeah. Yeah, so it's like every Sunday, it's like 2 games. It's like you pitch to your team and you play against another team kind of thing. Yeah, it's gonna be fun. Oh, really?
Yeah.
Perfect. Fucking, I was gonna say something. Yo, I was cheesy about last night, man. That girl, the girl that I talked to, I showed her like the headlights and all that. Like she was like amazed. She's like, "You drive like that?" I'm like, "No, I don't drive like that. I don't drive like that." Bro, I can only imagine, man. I'd drive her home, man. I'd unlock the door, you know what I mean? Or unlock the car, and then you'd see the whoop, whoop. And then I'd be like, yeah, like I control it from my phone and all that shit, you know what I mean? Bro, so when we left, right, my friend loves my car, man. Like he loves it, you know what I mean? He actually likes your car too, eh? He always talks about your car. Anyways, he wanted a picture of the car. And then I turned on the custom lights and then, like, mind you, this is when everyone was leaving, right? So we had like 50 people around the car, I swear to God. Everyone's like, how are you doing that? How are you doing that? And I was like, oh, it's through my phone. Yeah, it was fucking funny. I put on the cop lights and shit.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I put on what's that one called? The one with the cop lights. What setting is that?
Cop one?
Yeah.
Strobe?
Yeah, I had on strobe. Just I had the cop light specifically, and then I had regular strobe on, because it was like a party. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright, so update. Got those around the Got those around the valve cover, looking pretty nice. Looking pretty good, man. Just a, you know, add a little flair to it. Not bad, fellas, not bad. So apparently this only works for wire tuck, but we're gonna try to make it fit. I'm hoping it fits, man, because this shit looks sick. It's gonna match the ECU very well. Hopefully it works out, boys. So as you can see, guys, small difference. I really like this right here. This is like a nice touch, but yeah, just a little something to make it look a little better. But yeah, boys, what do you think? VVT solenoid cap and some valve cover Dressup hardware. Looking pretty spiffy. Yeah, guys, it's currently the next day. So here's how it's looking. Honestly, it's pretty small, but it does make a big difference, I will say. I do want to get more Dressup hardware for the entire engine bay now that I see how this looks, but overall looks pretty good. This is solid. Looks pretty good, guys. Cannot complain. And I may be picking up a new heat shield. That's all I'm gonna say. So it's gonna make the engine bay look a lot better. I do need a new sticker though, because this is peeling. Always freaking happens, but it is what it is. But yeah, guys, looking pretty sick. Just pulled up and 3 more speeds just pulled in. Jeez, look at this lineup though. Jeez, let's go. I'm sorry, I don't know the owner of these two, the black one and the red one, but goddamn, boys, look at that lineup though. Jeez. Oh, another one just pulls in, bro. Holy shit. Jeez, another one. Yeah, so I just left that show. You know, it was alright. I'm happy I didn't submit my car. It wouldn't have been worse staying there the whole day. I could not even imagine, but yeah, I'm heading back home now. Gonna go out today. Yo, what is that car? Is that an Evo? Cool, man. Yeah, it was alright. Now I have to drive all the way back home. It was kind of a waste of money, to be honest. I mean, there was a lot of gas, and then I paid $25. It is what it is, guys.